TSUGUKIT Manual. This video is explaining the Kintsugi manual for Kintsugi beginners using TSUGUKIT by Tokyo Kintsugi Workshop, Tsugu Tsugu. What is Kintsugi? Kintsugi is a Japanese traditional repairing technique for broken ceramics using natural ingredients such as urushi. By highlighting and mending scars and cracks of the ceramics and turning them into art, we can use them for a longer period of time and with love. What is urushi? Urushi is extracted from the urushi tree. The main chemical compound is urushiol, and it has an adhesive characteristic. It takes about 15 years from when the tree is planted until you can extract urushi from the tree by scratching. Urushi is a very scarce resource. Only 200 milliliters of urushi can be extracted from one tree. Keep the raw urushi in a cool and dark place, such as a refrigerator, to avoid exposure to high temperature and sunlight, especially during the summer. For urushi to harden, the ideal temperature is 20 to 30 degrees Celsius, which is 68 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit, and the ideal humidity is 70% to 85%. Therefore, before starting Kintsugi, set up an urushi box at home and keep the repairing items within the urushi box while doing Kintsugi. How to set up an urushi box? For urushi to harden, the ideal temperature is 20 to 30 degrees Celsius, which is 68 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit, and the ideal humidity is 70% to 85%. Put the box in a warm place, spread out a plastic sheet under the wet towel, and close the box to keep in the humidity. Keep the wet towel off from the repairing part. If your area is in a dry season, to keep the humidity high, you can put a plastic bag over the urushi box. Do not cover the box completely to avoid raising the humidity too high. Outfit for Kintsugi. Raw urushi is a natural product, and it may cause skin irritation upon skin contact. When you do Kintsugi, wear rubber gloves and long sleeves to protect your skin, and tie your hair back. If the raw urushi gets on your skin, immediately wipe it off with oil. Wash well with soap and rinse it off. The best oil to be used is rapeseed or canola oil, but otherwise vegetable oil or olive oil can be used. Discontinue use and ask a doctor if your skin becomes irritated. This Kintsugi tutorial video is produced by Tokyo Kintsugi Workshop, Tsugu Tsugu. Japanese best-selling Kintsugi kit, TSUGUKIT, is now on sale. Online Kintsugi Workshop is now open. We also have online traditional Kintsugi service, Tsugu Tsugu, to order artisanal Kintsugi repairs in Japan. We create new value and experience by connecting broken items, people, and traditions through Kintsugi. Please press like if this video was helpful for you, and follow our channel.